Hi friends, we're going to read another story today, okay? So we've been practicing reading patterns. And let's just practice, we'll read one pattern together, and then I want you to read a pattern, and then we're going to read a story and find the pattern in the story. Here we go. Elephant, koala, elephant, koala, elephant, koala. Now you try. Good job. Let's try one more. Monkey, zebra, monkey, zebra, monkey, zebra. Now you try it. All right, good job. Let's see what our pattern in our book is. Remember, I'm going to use my reading finger to touch each word when I'm reading. Why is bird smart? He likes to read about pigs. He likes to read about bears. He likes to read about cats. He likes to read about dogs. Let's see if you can help me finish the pattern. He likes to read about clouds. He likes to read about flowers. He likes to read about dinosaurs. He likes to read about bugs. He likes to read about ducks. He likes to read about stars. He likes to read about birds. That's great. Good job reading the pattern. Let's see, what was your favorite thing that bird liked to read about? I like the pigs. Good job reading the pattern, friends. All right, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.